guys, Logan here, back in another video. And today, I got slime. I just slapped gang. Slime, slime, slime.
Slugs. Oh yeah, I remember that. Watch out, Logan. This Nanny's.
Today is a diss track
Logan, listen
to
Nanny's.
Fashion Frozen 8. That's weird. It clicked twice.
Yeah, there's two knees, Logan.
That actually hurt. So this is it. I'm gonna do a diss track to Fashion Frozen 8. Yo, you are being a weirdo.
Logan.
Probably no more vids. You did some more vids. Why you lying in your titles?
Pikachu.